as y'all can see, first of all, somebody spilled something on the windshield, yes. But the sun is not quite up. Scooter's coffee.
We don't know about Scooters yet, but we're going up here.
It says that they're open.
Valid thinks that they're not going to be busy.
Because the sun's not up yet, and they have not put up a grand opening sign. I said they're doing a soft opening.
They're opening up softly,
right, sneaky.
This morning.
Right, you open a few days before your actual grand opening. That way, it's not so busy, and it gives your crew, it gives your crew time to get trained well before the big grand opening.
I say they're going to be wrapped out the back of the building.
Well, we know they weren't open yesterday, and I know that the day before yesterday they had not updated their hours on when you type it in online, but today it says that they're open. So we're just going up here to see.
What's it gonna be, everybody? We're coming over the hill here. Mm-hmm. We are almost here. What is it going to be?
It is yes!
They're open.
There's a car in the drive-thru.
Fallon is right, Mama.
See, I told you it's a soft opening. Go get in that line, Daddy.
Soft opening, folks.
Go get in that line.
Scooter's is doing a soft opening this morning.
I'm getting an autumn caramel crunch latte.
Y'all done softly open your window. Not your doors, because it ain't a go in and get.
No, it's just a drive-through, yeah.
Y'all done softly open your drive-through.
See how happy they are, how relaxed they are about their opening?
Relaxed.
They're relaxed.
Relax, guys.
Alrighty, you can go ahead and scoot on around to the window with me there.
Thank you.
We're going to softly scoot around to the window.
It's great.
Folks, this is the greatest thing's happened to me in a long time.
Here are the cheesecake bites for y'all.
Okay.
Right.
And this is the maple waffle sandwich.
Okay.
So let's see, they're open on the weekdays 5:30 to 8, and on Saturday and Sunday 6 to 8.
Alright, this is yours.
Alright, here are these. I think you can tell which one the cotton candy and the green apple are, right?
Yeah.
And the C on yours is for the coffee. That's the.
Thank you, sir.
So y'all have a good one.
You too, thank you. Isn't that? These are adorable. I can't.
Folks, these are adorable. I'm gonna tell you. This is the most adorable black coffee I've ever got. She said she couldn't, but I can.
Look at the smile.
Look at that adorable coffee.
Cotton candy smoothies and a caramel apple smoothie for the kids. Oh my goodness.
Look at this adorable coffee.
Scooter's was open. Open up. It's the maple waffle breakfast sandwich. Let's see what it looks like. Tyler says the maple waffle thing tastes like a McGriddle, but better. It's been a Monday. Started out fun with the Scooter's coffee run. That was all great, y'all. It's 2:26 now, and I'm about to start working on this cleaning list. It's a pretty long one because it's Monday and we had a busy weekend, so I did not do much cleaning at all. So what I'm gonna do, trying to decide if I wanna do music or a movie, and I'm gonna clean for 1 hour straight, non-stop, 1 hour, and then it'll be time to start supper. So what do we wanna do? Music or a movie? Music it is. we got everything swept. We got the bathrooms cleaned. I got the windows in the living room and kitchen clean. Got the porches in the garage done. I didn't get the laundry room done. There's a few things that need to be taken down to the shop in the laundry room, so we'll get that later. I did not get to cleaning out the cabinets. We'll save that for a single, that'll take a whole afternoon by itself. We got the refrigerators cleaned out. We didn't get to the van. I got the desk straightened up, and I kind of straightened up the bookshelf, but not really. Oh, and I dusted in here. We'll leave bookshelf on there because I still have a few things to do with that. Now we're gonna cook supper. I have some chicken in the Instant Pot. I'm gonna chop up an onion, some carrots, celery. We're gonna need some butter. We're making a chicken and biscuit pot pie. Since we're still waiting on the chicken, I'm gonna go ahead and mix up the biscuit dough. That way when we get to the biscuit part, I've already got it ready to go. I'm just doing the same biscuit recipe that I made the other day. I'll put it down below for y'all. Oh, and I'm gonna make some sweet potatoes in the Instant Pot when the chicken gets done. What are y'all having for supper tonight? Appetites change when the weather changes. We talk about this a lot. When the seasons start changing, it's getting darker a little earlier already.
Yeah, it's getting very dark.
Yeah, there's a little breeze in the air. You can feel that cooler air starting to come in. So your appetite starts changing. A manager that I worked with at the grocery store when I was a teenager, Titus worked there too, that's where we met. He told us that, and I've never, ever, ever forgotten it. It was, I think it was like the end of January, early February. He was talking about how just coming out of the holidays, people don't know what they want to eat because they're tired of the heavy holiday foods, but it's not warm enough yet for salads and stuff like that. So people don't know what they want to eat, and they just end up going to get something from town because it's, you know, it was really slow that night. And he was telling us that's why it was so slow.
Daddy's home.
I went out to the garden. We still have some parsley and basil and stuff out there, so I got that. I'll turn my heat up on the butter. We're almost ready. Here's the old roll. Thank you. We're gonna put the onions, carrots, and celery in here. And I already got the chicken cut up, so we're just gonna let these cook for about 5 to 7 minutes to get tender. And I'm gonna wash these dishes real quick while that's cooking. Oh, I'm coming. Oh, I need to go ahead and preheat the oven to 350. We're gonna coat the carrots and onions and celery with some flour. And I'm gonna put in some chicken broth. Start getting nice and thick there, and I'm gonna put in heavy cream. Before I put the cream though, I'm gonna put a little salt and pepper. And a little bit, I think I've got some thyme up here somewhere. Where are they? Okay, there we go. A little bit of thyme, just a little. Now we'll add in the cream.
I'm gonna put them in the freezer.
Okay.
On my light load.
She used, Cece, what did you use for making those chocolate covered apples the other day? These chunks? She used these chocolate chunks over here. We'll add in the chicken. And we'll just bring this back up to a simmer, and I'm gonna butter the casserole dish real quick. Putting in the chicken mixture. I've already got the biscuits ready here. We'll just sit them all around. There we go. We're going to put just a little bit of pepper on top of the biscuits. On some of them, we're going to put parsley, just a little parsley leaf on there. And And on some we'll do a basil leaf. Okay, now it's just going in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes.
We got a bowl cozy right here. Let's see how this tastes right here, everybody. Let's go in for the vegetables and the chicken first.
The kids are already loving it.
That right there. And it sounds like the room's having a moment of silence.
Yeah. All you hear is forks hitting plates.
A lot of smacking going on. That's good, Mom. Biscuit on top. Is that way you normally make biscuits?
Yeah, I made just my regular biscuits. I did add a little bit of black pepper on top and the parsley and basil on top of them.
This time of the year on through cold weather, this is what you want to be making right here. It's just really just grabbing me and just pulling me right there in that bowl. You nailed it. That's it. I'm gonna take some of this cocoa here, and I made this little deal a while ago, and it was yogurt, peanut butter, and I just did it to taste. I mean, the measurements is just what you want. And taste that. When you get it where you want it, then you add in some maple syrup. Spoon it out on some parchment paper and just some little, you know,
Dollops.
yeah, little dollops.
Or they're a little bit bigger than a dollop.
Yeah.
They're a dollop.
That's a dollop. And you put it in the freezer. And how long have they been in there, baby? Maybe an hour?
Maybe an hour, yeah.
About an hour and 15 minutes. They're ready now. I'm gonna melt down this chocolate.
We still have some leftover chicken pot pie.
But it's gonna get eat. I'm gonna melt down this chocolate right here. And then we're gonna take those things and dip them in there, let that harden back. So we're doing the cleanup right now. So Fallon's got this. This is dark chocolate right here, everybody. It's 65%, I think. This is 85%. This is what I normally eat. Do I need to add anything like butter or anything, or just?
Since this is dark chocolate, I would try like a little, maybe just a little bit of coconut oil in there with it to make it smoother.
Kind of want this to have a good, let's turn this heat down just a little bit. I want this to have a good dark chocolate
Flavor.
Yeah.
Sissy's ready to stir.
Let me get some pecans. Just gonna kind of chop them up real quick like. We need Mama's help right here. What have we done?
It's turning into brownies. We don't have enough chocolate.
Grab some coconut oil and throw it in there, Angel.
Where's the coconut oil?
I don't know what we've done here. We've done something crazy.
We ruined it.
Maybe the coconut oil will save it. You know what I'm saying? Man, we're stuck.
Mama, we broke it.
Did something
It turned into brownies.
We did something weird, Mama. Y'all keep this moving like this, and I'll throw them things in.
Tongs?
Yep, here we go.
Tongs.
Throw it in.
It was
Throw it
turning
in.
into brownies.
Let's see right here.
Do we got the parchment paper line thing?
Here we go.
Here,
Here, Mama.
Put it right back
Oh,
on
Lord.
this. Put it right back on. Right back.
Right back on? Okay.
Right back onto that.
Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Oh, it's going. This is going good.
Is it, Mama? Throw some pecans on top of it, baby. Sissy, come over and throw the pecans on, Angel. Maybe this will turn out okay.
Yeah, they're turning out fine.
Are they, Mama?
This is fine. You just gotta have 4 people.
You gotta have a crew here, folks. I'm gonna tell y'all something. This smells just like Mama's chocolate biscuits. What in the world
We got
have we
one
done?
more. We got one more. It's turning good, Daddy.
Is it,
Don't
Mama?
worry. Yes, it's
Folks, I
turning
did
great.
something here and didn't even know I was
It's
gonna
doing
do it.
great. You just gotta have 4 people.
You gotta have a crew here, y'all, and I'm telling you, this is smelling good. Sissy, sprinkling, baby. Do I need to put them back in the freezer right quick, Mama? I'm gonna put them back in the freezer for just about 20 minutes.
Yeah, it does. Oh, it looks like ice cream.
Yeah, it looks like ice cream. Look here, y'all. Let's see what it tastes like.
It definitely looks like ice cream.
Mmm.
It's actually kind of amazing how it's just like ice cream. It's just like a little ice cream sandwich thing.
It's just like, got the little polar bear on them, I think.
Oh, Klondike bars. Yeah, like a Klondike bar. Yeah.
See that right there? Now, you look how that looks just like, look at that.
It does. That's amazing.
That is amazing.
And it's creamy like it too.
It's very, yeah.